Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's Luke here over Pine Acres RV in Moncton. Taking a look what just came in a 2018 Cedar Creek 34 RL2. Just traded in today for another Cedar Creek Champagne. This coach features dual pane windows, see the rear ladder, hydraulic leveling system, which is fully automatic. Take a look here. There's your wet base, super clean. Power cord, awesome. Okay, taking a look inside the Cedar Creek. Here we go. Okay, 4 chairs, table with storage, all 4 of them does. Theater seats directly in front of, I was gonna say maybe a 50-inch TV, but no, that's bigger than 50 inches for sure. Fireplace, Bluetooth speaker. Look at the size of that couch. Wow. We got the daytime and nighttime shades. Nice, beautiful, beautiful woodwork. Check out the ceiling. Nothing but the best. We got an oven, 3-burner stove, convection microwave. Look at the cabinets. That is quality wood right there. Great spot for a coffee maker right here. Residential style fridge. The ceilings are super tall. We got the central vacuum system. Small closet here right at the entry. Your touchpad here that even has the plastic still on it. Wow. Okay, here is the main bathroom. 2 sinks. Again with the hard surface countertops. That is a ceramic toilet. We have storage over here. More storage down low. Take a look at the shower. Beautiful skylight. Wow, awesome. You know what surprises me about this coach is that it just came in on trade. We haven't cleaned it yet. It is flawless. Wow, for a used Cedar Creek, incredible. That is a Serta king-size bed. Beautiful mirror right there. We got, well, call that a walk-in closet. Beautiful. Give the other side right there. Oh yeah. There's a Cadet electric heater. Dresser. Another TV. This unit also has 2 air conditioners on it. Absolutely beautiful. The LED lights. Come take a look for yourself. Pine Acres RV, 80 Commerce Street in Moncton. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.